Okay, I'm here in the Westin Hotel, the Gaslamp Quarter, right in downtown San Diego. As you can see here, this is actually a 4-star hotel. Very nice. As you walk in, you have some closet space right here. And then the actual room itself, you do have a large king-size bed. At least that's the one that I got. TV, an area for doing some work, a sitting area with some magazines, and right here we have a view of the Gaslamp Quarter, downtown San Diego. So this is an excellent location, and that is the best thing about this hotel. I mean, the hotel itself is really nice, but the location, it being in downtown San Diego, in the heart of a lot of the action, is definitely worth it. And so this is the Westin Gaslamp Quarter in San Diego.